Guys, today I'm gonna give you 3 tips on making better pizza. Doesn't matter what type of pizza. As long as you follow these 3 tips in your oven, your pizza will come out better. As you can see, it shows me here 425 should be the degrees, but I'm gonna go a little bit over on it so it can make it even more crispier. Always preheat longer than you think. It said 425. I'm actually gonna put it to 450 to get a better crust. As you can see, the pizza is not in there yet. Do not place the pizza before the preheating is done. As you can see, the preheating is done. It's at 450. The timer started. Now I'm gonna place the pizza in the oven. It says to give it about 12 minutes, 16 minutes for 20 bagel bites. I have in there about 12. So I'm gonna give it about 18 minutes because it's supposed to be 14. I'm gonna do 4 extra minutes over the top to get a crispier bite. Tip number 2, always rotate your pizzas. That way it could be balanced on the heat and the crispiness could be the same because some spots might heat up more than others. So what I do, I get one, put this one here, that one here, switch them up, move them around fast, switch it up, boom, this one here to the front, bam, and we're all set. That way we could get a nice even crispiness. Last but not least, this is the finished product with the 3 tips that I told you guys. So we're gonna stop it. We're gonna open up here. Look how nicely these little pizza bites coming out. Look at the crispy. Look at the crisp on the dough. See how nicely they're coming out? I'm still gonna give it another minute, another 2 minutes. Back to where? To 450, like I said. Why? Because more heat, the crunchier the crust. I like my pizza well done. I like my crust to be very crunchy. Well guys, I gave it an extra 2 minutes and you could see the difference on the crust. Delicious. Always remember, more heat, the crunchier the crust. I like my pizza to have that crust feel, but not everyone's the same. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, comment down below. Thank you for watching my video.